Most people get this wrong. They think USA Pay Flex is just another buy now, pay later or payday app with hidden fees. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it offers flexible short-term cash solutions with clear repayment plans and fast funding. Here's how it works. USA Pay Flex allows users to request small advances or split urgent bills into installments. Funds are often available within hours, which is perfect for emergencies like car repairs, medical bills, or utility payments. The app provides straightforward repayment schedules and reminders, making it easier to stay on track. Another key feature is financial tracking. USA Pay Flex monitors repayments, upcoming obligations, and spending trends, helping users manage short-term finances more effectively. The downside? Overuse for non-essential purchases can become costly. It's designed for urgent or planned short-term needs, not everyday spending. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only borrow what you can repay on time. 2. Follow the repayment schedule closely. 3. Use financial insights to plan spending and avoid fees. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need fast cash or prefer flexible payment options. Those with irregular income or poor repayment discipline may face higher costs. In conclusion, USA Pay Flex in 2026 is flexible, fast, and user-friendly, but only when used responsibly. Treat it as an emergency tool, track repayments carefully, and plan your spending. Subscribe for honest app reviews and smart financial tips.